Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this Lego Technic Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 set. The set comes with a very detailed instruction manual on how to put the car together. There are 544 pieces that, once assembled, reveals a replica of the iconic Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 design used for drag racing. We have car enthusiasts, both old and young, in the family, so this set was perfect. The set comes with wide tires and a raised back spoiler. There are also two pullback motors. This set was built by two little boys under 10 in the family with a bit of adult help. It gave them a great introduction to engineering and mechanics, and of course, hours of fun entertainment. Once completely assembled, this car measures 3 inches wide, 10.5 inches long, and 4.5 inches wide. When the boys are done playing with the car and using their imaginations on which race the car is competing in, the car makes a great display along with the rest of their collection of Lego sets. With this Lego kit, the set makes a great Christmas gift or birthday gift to any child that likes cars and building models. Oh, and one more bonus feature of this set is that you can augment the fun of playing with the car by using the Lego Technic Reality app to put the car to the test on a virtual racetrack.